بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Al-Fatah Group CEO Mr. Rifatullah Khan realized that in Pakistan there is no latest European aluminum extrusion plant. The customers who need high-quality aluminum profiles are forced to import them to cater their needs. Therefore, Al-Fatah decided to build a state-of-the-art European aluminum extrusion and anodizing plant. This is the first plant of its kind, which has been designed and installed by the European engineers to produce high-quality standard aluminum profiles under the guidance of European engineers. The aluminum profiles manufactured in Al-Fatah production unit are of utmost quality, meeting all the European and American standards. Let's have a look at Al-Fatah manufacturing process. Al-Fatah imports high-quality 6063 6-meter-long billets from Alba and Dubai. Our high-quality automatic plant imported from Precisi, Italy is a well-known leading aluminum extrusion plant. We just load the billet on the loading table and the PLC-controlled computerized system takes care of the whole production process. Afterwards, billets are pushed forward for washing and cleaning by a special brushing machine. Then it moves to 5-zone billet heating furnace, in which it is treated homogenetically by heating up to 500 degrees centigrade. Lastly, it is cut by the hot log shear as per the required sizes. Now, the billet is ready for extrusion. During extrusion, temperature, pressure, extrusion speed and puller speed play a vital role in the quality of the profile. All these parameters are automatically controlled by the computerized PLC process system, as well as extrusion speed and puller speed synchronized by computerized PLC control system. Al-Fatah has latest 4-zone die heating oven, which heats up the dies up to 500 degrees in a homogenized way. We have latest die changing system, which changes the die in less than 20 seconds. During extrusion, we use most advanced double puller system to get the optimum production. After extrusion, profiles are automatically transferred to cooling table and then automatically transferred to straightening table. On straightening table, profiles are stretched by the heavy stretcher as per the requirement of profile. Later on, profiles are automatically shifted to finishing table, where these are cut by automatic cutter as per the required sizes. Finally, these are loaded into trolleys. For achieving T6 hardness level, trolleys are loaded into aging oven. After aging, profiles get the hardness up to 15 Webster hardness tester. Then, to smoothen the profile surface before anodizing, all the profiles are cleaned by the latest Italtecno machine. Anodizing is the most important and critical process, as it gives the final finish and different colors to profiles, keeping in view the importance of overall process. The first time in Pakistan, Al-Fatah has installed the complete most sophisticated latest anodizing plant from Italtecno, Italy, which is completely designed and installed by highly qualified Italian team. Aluminum anodizing is the best process to keep aluminum corrosion-free for a long time. Anodizing and electro-coloring complete process is 100% computerized PLC and sensor controlled. During anodizing process, profiles have to be processed by different chemicals in different tanks. Al-Fatah fully understands the importance and requirements of tanks for anodizing process and does not compromise on quality by reducing their numbers or curtailing the processes. Al-Fatah's anodizing line comprises of 31 tanks, and it is the latest and largest anodizing line in the country. We are capable of anodizing up to 26 feet long aluminum profiles. Al-Fatah is very much concerned about environmental issues and saves water by using the European water reprocessing system, which is unique and the only one in the country. We are capable to anodize up to 30 micron. Al-Fatah has introduced, first time in Pakistan, Dream Colors in anodizing and offering a wide range of anodizing colors, enabling people to choose a color of their choice. To achieve best quality results, we use Italian chemicals. We have the latest, the most modern and well-equipped lab, and our team is well trained in keeping a check on the use of chemicals for the best anodizing results. Our die design department is capable of designing any kind of profile dies to cater the need of the customer. We use 100% high-quality imported dies to get the high-quality profiles and having a big range of profiles. We are very much concerned about our customers' satisfaction. In order to save them from any deception, each profile is stamped with Al-Fatah European Aluminum plant. We know how to keep the aluminum scratchless after installation till the final finishing of project. We put protection tape on profiles to protect them. Our latest packing system ensures the delivery of products with high-quality European standards. Finally, the goods are delivered in trucks and containers. We warmly welcome our honorable customers to visit our plant. Do not compromise on quality and always buy Pakistan's #1 brand Al-Fatah Aluminium, and do not forget to check the stamp.